again, episode 4. Yeah, episode 4. We're going to be talking about the one-click flare. This is one of my favourite scratches to learn. I think it's because unlike the baby scratch and chirp scratch, it's one scratch that sort of just, you can do it for as long as the track lasts, you know. So I was buzzing when I learnt this scratch. And I'm gonna go over a few little things that you can just add to it just to break it up. I saw in a couple of my other videos, a few people have been commenting about the fader I have in the Z2. It is the fader PNP. There was really nothing wrong with the crossfader in the Z2. I just had some spare money. I invested in one of these, and the difference, I'm not gonna lie, the difference is like a lot. I wouldn't go back, put it that way. And also, seeing as though I'm taking the YouTube channel serious, I invested a lot of my money, all £6 of it, into this state-of-the-art tripod. Yeah, £6 off eBay. Just to show you how good this is. My camera isn't on it while I'm taking this video, so it's not the best. I broke it straight away as soon as I started playing with the legs. One of them fell off. So if you're gonna buy a tripod, I think just invest a little bit more money. But yeah, I'm gonna use this today. Let's see how we get on. Anyway, let's get to it. Right, so with the one-click flare, we're gonna be using the R sound. That iconic R sound that every scratch artist on YouTube and their mum uses. All right, here we go. All right. This is a good sample to use purely because it's quite long. All right. Practicing one-click flare. So, like I said before, with a baby, you want to do them, fairly long and slow. Okay, you don't want to be doing this. Not at first, anyway. Do you know what I mean? Right. With the crossfader, we're going to be shutting the sound off and then opening it back up again. Okay, so that's the only movement we're going to be doing. So at the start of the sample, so halfway through the baby, you're going to shut the sound. Okay, and then as you do the rest of the baby scratch, you're going to open the sound up again. And it's the same for coming back. So halfway, shut, open again. Okay, so it's just you can learn it like in stages. Okay, but I didn't learn it that way. Like, I learned it the way I was showing you, just by doing the full baby scratch. Okay. Because you don't want to get into the habit, like if you start trying to do that quick, you're going to get into the habit of keep. So yeah, so try and build that habit of doing the baby scratch smooth, and then just including the crossfader. Once you get comfortable with doing this, you can just, switch up a little bit. Adding drops into it. If you're unsure what a drop is, it's just releasing the record before the sample to play the sound. So when including the drops into the one-click flare, you're gonna use it. So at the start of the scratch, you are gonna drop the record, so releasing the record, and as you release it and the sound plays, you're gonna carry on with the click of the crossfader. So everything with the crossfader stays the same, but just at the start of the scratch, you're going to release the record and then bring it back with a baby scratch. You can also drop the record, you know, and not include the one click flare as the record's going forward. Just include it when baby scratching back. Okay, so you get more of the sound from the sample. Also, if you want to include the chirp scratch, you know, if you don't know how to do the chirp scratch, I have covered that in a previous video, so check that out if you want. But with the chirp scratch, obviously it's just a... Okay, so do the one click flare as normal and just include it in your scratches. Yeah, so hopefully you learned a little bit, you know, just keep practicing, even add your own little bits onto there. Obviously there's a lot more you can do with it. These are just little samples what you can do. I will be making more videos, so yeah, please subscribe, like, and yeah, see you soon.